Talking about India's historical background, we all are aware that India was under the British rule for almost 1.5 century, that is, till the year 1947. It's also important to know that India also came across several difficulties. There were wars, famine, and several such internal issues. Still, India remains a major developing country. After achieving independence, India started various economic reforms from time to time. Now, children, just to brief you about economic reforms, it simply refers to the changes introduced by the government to bring an improvement in the economy of the country. It means making necessary structural adjustments to external events. This means the country requires reduction in the rate of import and increase in the rate of export. As India maintained these reforms from time to time, its economic development paced up. Even today, we have a high proportion of youth when we talk about India's working population. That's why India is looked upon as a young country. Now let's come to the history of Brazil. Brazil was under the Portuguese rule for more than 3 centuries, that is, double the time of what India was. It gained its independence in the year 1822. So, right from the 16th century till the early 19th century, Portuguese had been ruling over Brazil. Again, from 1930 to 1985, that is, for almost more than a half century, Brazil was under a populist military government. Now, children, let me break up the words and make you understand the meaning of a populist military government. The term populist refers to self governing, and military government generally is an authoritarian government that has the ultimate power but again is administered by the military forces. So, ideally, Brazil carried out military dictatorship till the year 1985. It was recently, that is in the late 20th century, that Brazil overcame all its financial crisis, and today Brazil is looked up to as a contributor to economic growth of the world as well as an important market in the future. With this, we come to an end of the chapter. I hope you have understood